it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I'm in my Olive and Archer Traveler's Notebook and I'm going to do a art journal spread. I have not done an art journal spread, or some people call them creative art journal spreads, in quite a while because I've been doing hauls, but I want to do this and I love this. I've never used this before because I always use my other book that I picked up at Michael's, but I want to switch to this because I love it so much and I think it's going to be better for what I want to do. Now I'm going to be using this God of the Sea because I want to do like a mermaid theme. These stickers, and then this paper, it's just all underwater scenes. I have it upside down. But it's really pretty, and I've already gone through and picked the ones that I wanted to use, but it is really beautiful. I've got these from either JOURNALSAY or Doodle Diaries, and I have affiliate links in the description box below to Doodle Diaries, JOURNALSAY, and the Washi Tapes shop, and some of them contain coupon codes, so if you're going to shop there anyway, I would appreciate it if you'd use my links. And I'm going to be using my glue stick, and I'll link everything that I can find in the description box below. All right, and then naturally I'm going to be using some scissors. Okay, I'm going to use this paper, and it has a sailboat on it and everything, and I'm going to put it down first because I want to pretend like this is like the top of the water, and then you're going to be looking underneath the water, and I think that will be a lot of fun. And like I said earlier, I love this glue stick. It is awesome. I'll turn this towards me, and you may hear Melvin is cutting our grass, so you may hear that in the background. I think I got that kind of crooked. Let's see. Okay. I like that so far. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Then I'm going to take this and kind of sort of fussy cut this out. Not really very good, just kind of because I want it to look like it's down in the water somewhat. About like that. I want to see this. Okay, so then I'm going to put this down. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It was our anniversary this past Saturday, and we had such a wonderful time. But we went to Longhorn to eat, and I like my steaks well done. I mean, really well done. Melvin just likes his, like he says, one well done. And I always say extra, extra well done. Well, when his came, it had, the outside of it was really dark. And then the top part of his, inside it was gushing blood. So that was not a fun little event for us. But we made the best of it. Other than that, we had a wonderful time. Okay, then I want to take this, and I want to make this look like you're further down in the sea. I love this. But, so we complained, and I gave him half of my steak, and his potato wasn't that well. So, like we've always said, if you want good food, you really need to cook it yourself. And it's the truth. You really do. And then the waitress, she was like, hilarious. She would come along, everything okay? And we're like, no. No, it's not okay. But anyway, so I think this is just as cute as it can be. Now this is the Goddess of the Sea stickers. They have them in the clear stickers and then the paper stickers. And I'm going to be using the paper sticker. And our heat index has been so hot that it's 10 till 8 at night and he's out there cutting the grass so that he won't suffocate. All right. I think I'm going to put her about right here. I think that's so pretty. Now on this side, what I want to do is I'm going to put this up here. Let's flip this around. That is so pretty. And I could have put them in the center, but I didn't really want to. Then I'm going to take this. I cut this out of a piece of paper. And it's just like the whale is down in there. And then I trimmed this up. So I want it to be kind of like this. Okay, so I'm going to stick this down first. So I can really see where I want him. I want him about right here. Like he's just cruising through that undersea water. Look at that. Undersea water. Gosh. Like he's cruising under the water. Okay. And this I'm going to put about right here. I love this. So pretty. I'm going to round these corners. You can use your corner rounder or your scissors. Just going to use my scissors. Put this cap back on here. Okay. This is turning out so cute. All right. Then I have this seahorse, and I thought he would look cute maybe down in here. So we're going to put him on here. You could even put blue washi down through there if you wanted. I don't know that I'm going to. You could, but I don't really think it's necessary. And there he is. Now, is there anything else I want to put in this? I mean, you could put washi down through there to kind of not be able to see that white. Would I want to do that? Then I have these little jellyfish. This is Ocean Realms. I don't even know if I'd want to use this. Let's just look at it. But I hadn't done like a underwater spread, so I definitely wanted to do that. So let's see. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful, but I don't really want to put that. They kind of get lost. I think they'd be better off in something else. Oh, look at those jellyfish. That might be nice. Or I could put them, back them on like white paper. Oh, look at this. That's gorgeous. And this bottle. Oh. Wonder if I'd want to put some of this jellyfish on some white paper. Oh, look at that octopus. Oh, he's something else. Let's look. I might want to put some of this jellyfish and put that there. I think I might want to do that. Let me get some white paper. I love how this turned out. Here is the, like the surface of the water with the beautiful boats up here, and then this starts all the way down in here where the mermaids live, and the shells, the seahorse, the jellyfish, and that's built kind of like a dolphin, but dolphins don't have those lines underneath, so I don't know if it's a whale or a dolphin, but it has all this beautiful magical marine life, and I really like that I put this washi down the center. It kind of ties everything in and makes it very cohesive. If you enjoyed this art journal with me, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.